There's a lot of interaction between the whales when they're in little groups like this, rolling over the top of each other, rub up against each other. Even if they're not like a little mating group or anything like that, there's always a lot of interaction beneath the water that we don't see. Now this is a species of baleen whales. There are two different groups or types of whales. There's baleen whales and there's toothed whales. We do see 5 species of baleen whales here throughout the year. We see blue whales, fin whales, gray whales, humpback whales, and minke whales. Now the baleen whales, like these gray whales, have 2 blowholes on top of their head, and they do not have teeth. They are filter feeders. They have a baleen structure, a broom-like structure that hangs down from the roof of their mouth that's made out of keratin, the same thing as our fingernails.
There it goes.
We're giving them lots of space. Oh, what was that?
That's a whale.
Keep watching here. I don't know if they're going to go play with a piece of kelp or...
They're fast to go.
They're speeding up and slowing down, and I have seen this before when we've had a group of this, because they are interacting with each other, and I've seen them speed up and slow down. Whoa!
Haha.
Yikes. That was I picked over there.
Hey, there's a log in front of you. Is everyone okay?
Now, believe it or not, on this 8 or 9 month migration, they do not feed.
Ever go to the back of the boat?
They're going to lose about half their body mass during this 8 or 9 month migration. They only feed when they're up in Alaska, and here comes one. And they're the only whales to feed on the bottom. They are bottom feeders. They go down to the mud or silt down in Alaska, and they kind of scoop it up. Their mouth is kind of shaped like as a shovel. They scoop up a bunch of mud and silt. There's some dolphins coming and joining the party here too. We get some dolphins interacting with the whales. Sometimes make them do cool stuff too. They're going for it. Look at them. The dolphins are just as curious with the whales as we are. But let me tell you guys, it sometimes makes the whales do funny stuff. I've seen the dolphins go underneath the whales. They're just swimming along with them, and it causes the whales to go upside down and roll around. So we're in for a treat here, maybe. We've already had, well, this is my best gray whale show this year so far.
Dolphins are pretty voyeuristic.
And we've had whales every day this week, so this is really good. I was getting worried there. This is the longest I've had to go all day. I was getting worried. Made it happen. And the other boats aren't bothering us too. That's always a plus.
Oops,
Hey, the
something
whales could be right here too.
dolphin.
Chances are the dolphins are following the whales.
Oh,
Oh, I hear them. Where are they? Oh! Whale rides, $10.
upside down gray whale. He's doing the backstroke.
Wow.
Did you guys see him do the backstroke there? That's so he can look at the dolphins underneath him. No, gray whales only eat tiny mud-dwelling animals called children. I'm sorry, I meant animals.
Every once in a while, these guys will jump or breach. Not too often with the gray whales, but sometimes. Back to their feeding. Like I said, they fill